How to fix the Target app issues. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to update, refresh, retry, and if your app is having issues, you can just go over and follow up this common fixes so that you can get back to shopping without frustration. So for that, the thing we can do is we can start by updating the Target application. So for that, you can head over, go to your Play Store or your App Store depending upon your device, and search for Target. So go ahead and find for Target here. And once you find Target, you can just go over and find the Target application and update it if it is available, because outdated application can often cause crashes, missing features, or login problems. After that, you can also close the application completely. You need to close the application completely and reopen the app and go back to the section that was causing issues, such as orders, wallet, deals, etc. Refreshing should also clear out the temporary glitches. After that, you can clear out your cache as well. For now, I'm using Chrome, but you can do so for your Target application. Hold that app, go to their info, app info. After that, you can scroll down, look out for storage, and just head over and tap on clear cache and clear out the cache. Also, restart your device. You can hold your power button for that and look out for restart and restart your device. And also check your internet connection. Wi-Fi or mobile data must be stable. And you can also delete and download Target again if nothing else worked, and check for service outages sometimes, and that should work out for you. And keep your application also updated regularly to avoid glitches, but those are probably the method you can try out. So try it out and let us know in the comments for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.